Good morning, everybody. What's up? Thank God it's Friday. Thank God it's another day. Thank God it's some day to become somebody. You guys, you don't have to remain the same person you were yesterday. Keep putting your mind into positive places. Keep putting positive things into your mind and just watch what happens, you guys. We're on day 83 of our motivational videos today. And that's what's up, you guys. Consistency is more than half the battle, okay? If you can start doing something every single day and make it just a habit, just part of your routine every single day, it's just what you need to do. You need to be plugging into stuff every single day. A little bit every day can go a long way, you guys, all right? Just don't think, oh, I'll do a lot today, and then I can take a couple days off from everything and then pick back up where I left off. No, you guys, because when you take time off, everybody else is not taking time off. They're still motivating themselves. They're still developing themselves. They're still out there working. So you can't take a day off, right? That's the beauty of having time freedom, you guys, is we can do this when we want, but you need to do it every single day, all right? Make sure of that, as well as becoming positive, becoming somebody worth value. Make sure you plug in every single day. That's how you keep your value, all right? That's how you keep your good place in this world along your journey, all right? You don't want to get off. You don't want to get off the roller coaster, do you, while it's going? That would be dangerous. No. Stay in and enjoy the ride, all right? Enjoy your experience of life and the person that you're becoming. All right, today's quote of the day, you guys, says, "An invincible determination can accomplish anything." All right? Did you hear me? An invincible determination can accomplish anything. So, just because it's Friday, just because it's about to be the weekend, I do not expect anybody to be slacking on developing themselves. Just because, me and my team and a bunch of other, 1,200, maybe more people are going to be at this Michigan Back to School Regional this weekend. And if you're not, that's really disappointing. But for whatever the reason may be, you better be at the next one, because I'm telling you, you guys are missing out on this. But if you're not there, you better still be working your arse off. Don't want to say the real word. I'm trying to cuss less, you guys. We got to work on that. We got to talk better. We got to, represent the people we are through the words that we say. So, I'm a good person. I feel I have good words to say. So we need to cuss less. We need to build our vocabulary. I think that's another thing. Constantly, I have this app. It's called Vocabulary Builder. I get one word a week. And, just use that. It'll tell you to use that new word 3 times that week so that it becomes part of your vocabulary. It'll just become natural to use it. Constantly keep yourself growing, you guys. Be your own teacher. Know, your weaknesses in life. And don't be ashamed to, admit those things. Have an invincible determination that you can change, that you can better yourself, that you can do the things that you want to do. And have an invincible determination knowing that you are on your way, okay? You wouldn't have watched 83 days of these videos if you weren't really trying to be a better person and get into a better place in your life, all right? This is a constant journey. It's a roller coaster. Like I said, just enjoy your ride, you guys, and keep that belief and faith in yourself, and you'll see what happens. It'll be a beautiful thing in the end. It'll be fun. It'll be, all your struggles, all your hard times, everything will have been worth it once you get to see your results, all right? But if you give up, you're not going to see or keep your results, all right? So keep those invincible determinations. Do not let anybody tear you down or pull you away from your dreams or who you can be or where you're going. You guys have to be determined. Whether you make $0 or $1 million, you have to have that determination. Just that thing about you that people can tell that you mean business, that you know you will be successful, that you know, not think, not hope, not wish, not dream, but you know you're on your way and that you'll get there. So it's just another day, you guys. Who cares if it's Friday? That's just the name that we call it, all right? Every day you wake up, it's a new day. God is giving you that chance to go and just be your full potential, you guys. He's giving you that opportunity, so why are you wasting your time? All right, get off these videos and go do something with your Friday. Make an influence on someone and on yourself, all right? And make sure it's a positive one, because gosh knows we have enough negative in this world. Have a good day. Be kind, be sweet, be loving, be empathetic, and work hard. Have a good Friday, you guys. Peace out.